Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really short and sweet for you. This is a new product from Sand and Sky I'm going to be trying out with you guys. It is the Australian Emu Apple Enzyme Powder Polish. Now, first thing I noticed was this was a really big guy. This is 2 ounces of powder. Now this one is priced at $44.90. That is in US dollars. I will definitely have it linked below for you as well. So at first I was like, oh, that seems a little high, but you get a ton of product in here and I like their ingredients. I've tried their mask and their exfoliator. My skin really loves their products already, but I have not tried anything from the Emu Apple line. I'm also really keen to try the mask. That one is sold out, but they also did send me the Australian Emu Apple Dreamy Glow Drops. These sound absolutely amazing. So I'm going to give you guys a little close look at the packaging of these products. I love the color. It's like this really cute pinky purple, and the outside packaging is so aesthetically pleasing. I just have to add that. They have like this beachy scene on it. So cute. So first up, for the enzyme powder, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about it. This one has gentle fruit enzyme exfoliation, and if you don't know, I did talk about this a little bit in my skincare do's and don'ts video as of what type of exfoliation may be right for you. Enzyme is one of the most gentle types of exfoliation. It's also effective, but I find that my favorite way to use an enzyme exfoliator is in a powder. I've had ones that I've been in love with, and I've had ones that I didn't care for as much, but I mean, I cannot wait to dive in to try this one out. It's water activated, so it's just a powder in here, so you have to mix water with it, so a little bit goes a long way. Like I said, it has vitamin C, potent antioxidants, and it's for a smooth, soothed, glowing complexion. Their products also are PETA certified. They have no parabens, no sulfates, silicones, or phthalates. So there's a lot of good things about their products in general. As for ingredients, you have Australian glowberries, papaya fruit enzymes. There's some fruits, and I'm not going to try to pronounce that. I'll put that one on the screen. And then it has botanical oils, aloe vera, jojoba, and macadamia. So this one's really good for so many things, but its main function is going to be to gently exfoliate away dead skin cells. And just a little bit about the drops, which is another product from the Emu Apple range. These go for $49.90. This one is a biphase serum, so you do have like a water-based portion and then an oil-based portion. It has 5 types of hyaluronic acid, which you know is really good for that hydration of the skin. It also has antioxidants and vitamin C as well, and this one's just meant to give you a silky smooth glowing complexion, and I've wanted this a lot, so I'm really glad that they sent this over. This one also, of course, the Australian Emu Apple, glowberries, hyaluronic acid, kakadu, plum, and a hemisqualane oil blend. So it's really, really hydrating for the skin as well. Let's go ahead and get into it because I'm just excited to try this out. You got a little safety here so you're not spilling out everywhere. You just move this little section and then you have your opening. It says to use half a teaspoon. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball this. I'm so terrible. I don't measure anything. If it says like this much coffee, I'm just like, just pour some in. I've got the powder in my hand here, and then I've got a little glass of water, but all you need is a couple of drops, and it kind of creates like a little paste almost. And you can kind of tell if you don't have enough water or enough powder by the consistency. So you're supposed to create like a light foam. So this is getting a little bit foamy. There's a little bit of graininess to it, but it's very fine. It's not like those chunky type of exfoliators that you feel like it's maybe a bit too scratchy for the skin. And you are just meant to exfoliate for about 15 seconds. It feels really nice. So you kind of get the urge to just keep going. And the great thing about this one is even if it doesn't feel like it's doing a lot right now, it does a lot for your skin with those enzymes. They just work really secretly, like you don't know what's happening. So I am going to rinse this off and then we'll come right back. Okay, my skin feels so incredibly smooth. I know that this isn't going to be something you can see on camera, but my skin feels like baby smooth right now. Oh my god. I wish you guys could feel like the difference, because lately I feel like my exfoliators are just not cutting it. Like my skin still feels so uneven and it doesn't feel like this baby smoothness, but this feels amazing. I'm thoroughly impressed right off the bat. I've tried some enzyme powders before. They give you some result, but I don't think I've felt one that gives this much of a noticeable result right away. I've done intense dermabrasion, things like that, and none of them really left my skin feeling that smooth, which is crazy because you would think you'd see such a big difference with those, but my skin feels amazing right now. I'm gonna go in with my Dreamy Glow Drops, so I'm gonna shake this up really good, and then I like to just kind of pump this a little bit. I'm just gonna drop a couple in my hand. These drops feel so lightweight but also nourishing. It's kind of a very interesting texture because my skin has a shine to it and a glow, but it doesn't feel oily and heavy, if that makes sense. They feel in between the weight of like a water-based liquid and an oil. Like, it's a really good combination. It just soaks right into the skin, and I feel like hyaluronic acid and oil is the best way to go. I feel like one or the other for me doesn't quite cut it. You guys have heard me talking about applying an oil on my skin and then a water-based like gel moisturizer on top to kind of seal it in, but this kind of gives me that feeling with just one product. So I'm sold. Okay, I'm sold. I know this seems like a sponsored video, but I swear it's not. I just really love the way that my skin looks and feels right now. I mean, you guys can see this healthy glow. I feel like this is just what my skin needed because I've reached like the stress point where I have actually psoriasis on my eyelid. Yeah, we're at that point where my skin is freaking out, and I needed something like gentle but also effective, and I feel like this is a really good combination for my skin, especially since it has those good ingredients. I know that for some people these may seem a little bit pricey, but I know they'll go a long way. I know this will last a really long time because you don't need much every time and just a couple of times a week, so I know it's going to last me a really long time. As for the glow drops, I mean, they will still last, but I really love the way that these feel, so I may be a little bit crazy with these and be using them every single day, but that is okay. So I'm going to leave these products linked down below for you guys if you would like to go and check them out for yourself. I am thoroughly impressed. Like, I knew that I liked their clay mask and exfoliator already, but I love these products like even more, and now I really want to try that mask. I feel like it would be amazing too because it's the same line, has like similar ingredients, but it's like a bouncy mask. Ooh, I'm gonna have to get that as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little quick skincare video. Let me know your thoughts, and if you tried any Sand and Sky for yourself. I'm blown away. So I really love the way my skin is looking. I think I'm gonna go enjoy it, and I hope you guys are doing amazing. Leave a thumbs up if you like these quick little skincare review videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.